How to cash out on DoorDash driver app. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out your credit on DoorDash driver app. First, to cash out your earning on the DoorDash app using First Pay, open the app, navigate to the earning tabs, then select deposit and transfer. Click cash out with First Pay. Then finally, enter your debit card details when prompted to add your payment information. Step-by-step process is open the Dasher app, tap on the Earnings tab, select Deposits and Transfers, click Cash Out with Fast Pay. You must cash out with First Pay. So enter your debit card details. That's how you can cash out your money from DoorDash driver app. Here are some important points to remember. You may need to add your card details the first time you use FastPay. Check if you have sufficient funds available to cash out. FastPay may have a fee associated with it. You may be limited to a certain number of FastPay cash outs per day. So there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.